Welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. If you have Samsung A15, A16 like A36 smartphone, means if you have Samsung A36 in this video, because of that the thumbnail's topic is a A36 smartphone will be unlocked without using computer and without using of any software tool. So in this video I can show you how can you easily unlock your smartphone without using computer and software tool, and without entering your Gmail ID account credential you can unlock your smartphone in just only 5 minutes. So let's start the video first. First of all my friend, you have to connect the charging cable first into your smartphone, and when you connect your charging cable, your smartphone will your charging animation has been started. So after that, go back to the previous page. You have to connect your charging cable first. This is very important. After that, you have to open your emergency call option here and dial only star hash 999 star 13066 star 0 star hash. You have to enter the code here and call this. After that, you have to again type star hash 0 star hash and wait for few seconds. After that, this page comes into your mobile screen, and when this page comes, you have to open this sensor option here, and you can see here there are lots of options and sensors are synchronizing here. So you have to wait for few seconds, and after that go back to the main page. When you come on the main screen, you have to change your region to English United States, so click OK. When your language is changed, you have to click a star button here. This is very simple, and you can use this in every Android version like A series, M series, S series, F series. After that, click agree to all and click more, click agree, and you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. This is very important. So when you connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot, you have to press power button plus volume up button, press and release. After that, you got this prompt, so you have to click use button here, and again you have to do the same thing, press power button plus volume up button, press and release. And after that, you got this page, and you have to draw opposite L like that. So let's draw this. After that, you got this, so double click the first option, select use voice commands and double click and say Google Assistant. Open settings and done. When your setting page is opened, you have to turn off your talkback option, and for that press power button plus volume up button, press and release. Done. Your talkback is turned off. After that, this is the page. You can do anything here. You can do any changes here, and you can see here this is the very important. So click biometric and security, click other security settings, click device admin apps, turn on the find my device, click activate, and after that you have to disconnect the data cable from your smartphone, and when done you have to go down and click to turn on pin window option here. This is very important, and click view certificates, go back, clear credential, click OK, all done. And after that click go back, and here you have to click the fingerprint option here and click this continue for 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and go back, and after that click this privacy section here, go down and turn off these 2 options here. Turn my friend, go down and click safety and emergency, go back, again open, click emergency mode and click turn on, and click agree to all, click agree, and your emergency mode is turning on. So press power button, click to turn on, and after that click OK, go down, and again. So wait for a few seconds. After that your smartphone will restart. So wait for a few seconds. Go back. After that, click allow, close, close. After that, press power button plus volume up button and this also, and connect your data cable. Okay. Press power button and all buttons on the same time. Press and don't release until your charging animation has been started. Wait for a few moments. Press all the buttons. disconnect the cable, go down, wipe data factory data reset, click to restart and wait for few seconds. Wait for a few moments again, and after that you can see here this phone is completely restart by default. So click the start button here, click agree to all, click agree, more, agree, and you have to connect your smartphone again with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Click connect, and wait again for few seconds. And got it, my friend. You can see here we got this skip message to unlock your smartphone. So you have to click only this skip message, skip again, and all done. Your Samsung smartphone is completely unlocked by Google FRP. So you don't have to enter your Gmail ID account credential into your Samsung smartphone, and click don't copy here, and all done. Your Samsung smartphone is completely unlocked without using computer and without using any kind of software tool. So if you have any type of queries regarding this method, so you can comment us with your specific Samsung model name. Our team will reply very soon, within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your all kind of Samsung model like A series, S series, M series, J series and F series in just only 5 to 10 minutes. So that don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video and channel. So if you have any queries, comment us. Our team will reply very soon. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.